Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be shooting my savings challenge cash stuffing. My name is Jasmine. I'm an all cash budgeter. I use what's called a zero-based budget. And so today I'm going to be showing you how I save with these cool little fun savings challenges. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. First, everything you see in this video is available. I do sell it. I will link my shop below, or you can click up here in the cards to shop this challenge tracker. I also sell these binders. If you want to purchase this binder, this is the clear binder with the sunflower cover, holographic vinyl here, and just type in whatever you'd like it to say. I also sell these savings challenge envelopes, and they come in sets of 6. All right, so if y'all hear anything in the background today, my niece Lizzie is sitting here with me while I record. Okay, so first things first, we are going to do our $10 savings challenge, which will be adding $40 today. If you're wondering why there are 2 sheets, we've already completed this challenge once. We're working on time number 2. So we're going to go ahead and color in 4 sets of lips because we are adding $40. If you're wondering at what speed or how much you should add each time, it's totally up to you. Personal preference, guys. I guess I could sit my money out, huh? Alrighty, so to this $10 savings challenge, we're going to be adding $40. So we're gonna grab 10, 20, 30, 40. So our new total in here is 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20. So 220, remember this is from last time, so all we're counting is the 10s. So we now have 220 in our $10 savings challenge. So here we have it, we're good in our tracker. So up next, let me write it down, I'm getting ahead of myself. So let's see, I wanna use pink today. So we have 220 in there. Up next, we have our Christmas challenge. And this challenge is set in place to help you save for Christmas, either this year or next year, catch up if you're in a hurry to do so. So we're adding $90 this week. Just coloring our little tree here. I've been getting so many messages about y'all finishing this challenge early, actually, and being able to go ahead and start shopping for your kiddos. And that's totally why I created it, y'all. I'm so glad y'all are having so much success. So we have 50, 70, 90 here. And we're gonna add that to our Christmas envelope. Okay, so our new total in Christmas, 100, 200, 3, 4, 500, 550, 600, 620, 640, 660, 680. So we're gonna have $680 in Christmas. We're getting real close to that $1,000 mark, which is really good. So I'm actually going to add that money into my Christmas sinking fund when we're finished. So I should have a nice little piece of change to shop and do all the other things we need done this year. So self-care, again, this one was created just to care for yourself on this budgeting journey so that you don't forget you. Another one that's self-paced, do as little or as much as you'd like. You'll have 500 at the end, or you can stop along the way at 1 or 300, okay? We're adding 45 today. So we're gonna be coloring in the airplane here and adding in our $45. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 45. Oh, we're in self-care. Let me get to the right place. So our new total in here is 100, 200, 3, 350, 370, 390, 405. $405. Y'all, I am so close to getting to ball out on whatever I want to ball out on. I thought I was going to buy a perfume, but I think somebody is going to gift me that for Christmas. So I don't know what I'm gonna buy y'all. I'm definitely gonna ball out on something because I've been working hard to save this money, honey. So up next, we are working on our emergency fund. And I created this because I feel like the very first thing you should do when you start budgeting is start contributing to an emergency fund. Because whenever you very first get started trying to do anything positive for yourself, you know, life happens. So that way you always have at least, I know $1,000 isn't going to cover every expense, but if anything, you know, too crazy happens, you at least have this to fall back on so it doesn't throw you completely off your journey. Okay, so to our emergency fund today, we are going to be adding $100. I wanted to go ahead and fill in one of these bonuses. I don't know why I chose to do that this week, but we're doing it. Okay, so let's see what we've got in here. We're going to add in 2 50s. So our total in emergency fund is 102, 3, 4, 550, 605. So we have $605 in our emergency fund. Okay, up next we have our 52-week challenge. And to this challenge, we'll be adding 165 in the forms of number 50, 30, 60, and 25. So let me color those in first. So we're gonna do number 50, number 30, number 60, and number 25. And if you have stayed this long into the video, let's go ahead and do a giveaway. I haven't done one in a while. Just comment what your favorite challenge is and leave a black heart emoji next to your comment, and I'll pick a person and send them a digital copy of the savings challenge, okay? So what did I say? 165 is what we're adding here. So 150, let's do 2 10s. 65. I think it's all mostly 1K slips in here now. Oh no, this is the wrong challenge. Let me get to the right place. Yep. Okay. Alrighty. So we're gonna add in our 100, our 50, and our 5s here. So we have $5,000 in the bank, and 100, 200, 50, 55, 260, 265, 270. So we have $5,270 in this savings as a whole. Okay. And up next is our Save With Baddie challenge. So let's go have a look at our YouTube and see. So as of today, which is Saturday, it looks like we have 1,000 likes on last week's video. So that means we're going to be adding $10 to our Save With Baddie challenge. So let me pick a closer pink. I think it was like an orangey. I don't know. So we're gonna add our 10 here and $10 to our Save With Baddie challenge. And so since I am doubling up on this challenge, I'm going to add in a 20. So that gives us 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92. So I now have $92 in here. You should have half of that. Remember, I'm trying to give this away to 2 separate people, so. Okay. So that's all for Save With Baddie. The very last, so we added, so we should have $92 in here. Our 52 week, I forgot to write that one too. 52.70. All right, so very last here we have our 100 envelope challenge. Before we do that, I do know I have 100 to put into this blue face challenge. This isn't one that I sell. This is just something that I'm doing for myself. I sell a lot of things on the side, so I just want to use extra hundreds from those sales and put them away because I just be spending the money. Okay, so that's the very last thing in this book. And up last, we are going to be doing our 100 envelope challenge, so I won't need that anymore. Alrighty, and again, this is another one we have previously completed, so we are going for round number 2 here, okay? So, my 100 envelope challenge I keep in here, and I have my 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 envelopes here, so let's go ahead and color these in and figure out what we have to stuff. All right, so we're all colored in. Now we will commence to stuffing these. All right, first up, we have number 26. So we're gonna go 25 and 6. So is anyone joining me on this 100 envelope challenge this go round? I've heard a lot of y'all say y'all are waiting for the new year. Number 32. Which is great because I'm going to start, I think the only big challenge I'll be doing in the new year is the 10K, or I may even push it to 15K because I'm really going to focus next year on paying off my student loan debt. 65. Let me see, 20. How did I do that? I'm not sure. Let me skip that one. Let me start with number 96. I know I was putting 100 in that one. I only have a little bit of change, so I want to make sure I can do everyone. Let's do number 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 82, 84. Okay, yeah, I just totally agree. Like, the new year is a good time to start afresh. I'm thinking about like emptying out all of my sinking funds and starting over in the new year, but we'll see. We have number 80, so 20, 40, 60, 80. This is going up super late, so I'm sorry if I'm rushed. I'm trying to get it out before I head out. So next we have number 72. So let's see what we have here. So there's 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, so let's just put 20, 40, 60, 80. I guess let's just put 80. And number 72. And I guess we'll put 80, 84, I guess. And number 65. Okay. And so we'll have a little overage, which is great. So there's our 7 for this week. Okay. And that is everything, I believe. Yeah, that should be everything. All right, so thanks again for joining me for this sinking fund stuffing. I know it was kind of rushed. I'm sorry about that. I know I need to get these out every week because y'all are doing that challenge with me. So if you have made it this long, thank you so much. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my videos with your friends and family that you want to help get started on this budget journey as well. Y'all have a good day. Bye.
Something to buy, da ba da ba, yeah. Da ba da ba ba, buy da ba ba, yeah. Set the ba da 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 da.